Well. Um, right now I'm working on the sender unit on the driver's side. To get on this side, you gotta take this plate out, which is kind of the seal. You got some screws here around it. Then you're gonna, but first, before you do anything, you gotta disconnect the battery and take the fuse from the fuel pump out. Then you take the screws, the cover, you disconnect it from here and from here. The problem that I had is that this tank had gas and it wasn't sending it to the other side, and I was like, why? But look what I found in this bad boy, if you can see. Let's see if you see that is disconnected. I'm gonna pull it up higher. Look at it. So there's no way it's gonna pump anything to the other side, because that's one of the lines that's supposed to go to the other end, and it's not doing it because, of course, it's disconnected. So I'm gonna connect it. Hopefully that fix my problem, and hopefully that will fix your problem on your end. Just double check the pump, because I changed this. I don't know how that got off like that. So double check you send a unit before you do anything. Thanks for watching.